So there are a few basic KPIs that you want to track when you're managing customer service. The most basic one would be the first time reply. So how much time has elapsed since your customer contacted you, and how much time did you take to reply to that customer? Another one would be, for example, the number of messages that needs to be exchanged before a customer inquiry is actually solved. So number of message to solve a ticket would be another interesting KPI that you want to make sure you have visibility on. And really what you're aiming for is to reply fast on the first time reply, and also to minimize the number of tickets or the number of messages that you need in order to solve a customer inquiry. And a new KPI that we're now tracking in Gorgias that is really interesting is how much you can convert your pre-sale tickets into actual sales. So really we're now allowed through Shopify to track how much your pre-sale chat, for example, are driving into sales in your store. So if a client starts a conversation on your store, you will be able to know once they purchased how much that conversation was worth. And further than that, you will be able to assign that amount value back into to the customer service representative that managed that customer interaction. If you're able to incentivize your customer service agents to close more sales through chat or other pre-sale channel, then you're really transforming the way that they behave online. So your customer service agents right now are most probably replying most of the day to basic inquiries such as where's my order or how to return and exchange a certain product. But if they do less of this and more of actually selling through chat, then they start behaving more like retail sales associate. Just like when you walk in a store, it's like, hi, I see that you're looking at some jeans. Do you want, is there a certain model that interests you? Do you need help choosing the right size? Those are the kind of conversation that can drive sales for you and in turn transform the way that your clients perceive your brand.